This is our weekly market update, where we start in the US, cross to Europe and Asia, and end in Australia, covering commodities and crypto along the way. This is a data-rich tour, as stocks finished lower on Wall Street but edged higher in Europe on Friday, amid uncertainty over US President Donald Trump's rapid policy initiatives, including spending cuts and tariffs, and Germany's upcoming elections. Oil prices settled down more than 2%, while gold eased from record highs. The global MSCI index was down 1.04% on Friday, but the MSCI broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan jumped 1.35% to its highest since November last year and gained 1.47% over the week. The S&P 500 shed 1.7% at the closing bell. The Nasdaq Composite slumped 2.2%. The Dow Jones tumbled 1.7% as 23 of the Dow's 30 components fell, paced by United Health, Nvidia, and Amazon. Crypto stocks sank after Bybit reported a hack with estimated losses of about $1.5 billion US. As a result, Coinbase fell 8.3% and Robinhood fell 8%. The volatility index was up 16.28% to 1821. The ASX 200 in Sydney fell 0.3% and has retreated 3% since it closed at a record high last Friday. However, in Europe, shares have been volatile this week ahead of Germany's election on Sunday, while talks between the US and Russia on ending the war in Ukraine helped underpin a surge in European shares to record highs this week. Europe's broad stock 600 climbed 0.52%, reversing 2 days of declines. So standing back, we could well be in the midst of a rotation to Europe and the emerging markets and away from the overvalued US market. But given the sky-high level of uncertainty now exposed for all to see, we should expect more volatility, and we do risk dropping into correction territory in coming weeks. Investors, as opposed to traders, might want to take risk off the table as the waves break over the assumptions many have had about how the world works. And as I'll discuss on my upcoming Tuesday live show, we are entering an era of global disorder where powerful but transactional players are trying to rule the roost. And in so doing, things will get broken and markets will get disrupted big time.